Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning the Korean numbers. In the first two parts, we already learned how to count from 1 to 100 in the Sino Korean number system. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to form Sino Korean numbers from 101 to 1000. So let's start. Now as we already know how to count from 1 to 100, it becomes very easy for us to create numbers from 101 to 999 because they are just the combination of numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? जैसा कि हमने 11 से 99 तक नंबर्स को काउंट करना सीखा था, उसी कॉन्सेप्ट के बेसिस पे हम 101 से 999 तक काउंटिंग सीखेंगे. बहुत ही इजी कॉन्सेप्ट है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. हियर दिस टेबल will help you to count numbers from 101 to 110. ओके, ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, इन 10 नंबर्स पर जो कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई हो रहा है वो ही सारे रिमेनिंग नंबर्स पर भी अप्लाई होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज डन. Suppose you have to say 101 in Korean language. Now 101 is a combination of 100 and 1. Okay, we already know that 100 is pig and 1 is ill. So 101 is very simple, pig ill, right? Similarly 102 is piggy, then pigsam, pigsa, pig o, pig nuke, pig chill, pig pal, pig ku, pig shit. Very easy concept. You just need to apply this particular logic to each and every number. Okay? आप 100 को कोरियन में क्या कहते हैं और उसके बाद जो भी नंबर आके उसमें कंबाइन हो रहा है उसे कोरियन लैंग्वेज में क्या कहते हैं और उसे आप दोनों को कंबाइन कर दीजिए और आपका नंबर फॉर्म हो जाएगा. ओके? Now before we learn how to create more 3-digit numbers, I will suggest you all to look at this particular table first, where you are going to learn this series of numbers, that is 200, 300, 400 and so on. Okay? Here the logic that has been applied is slightly different. Suppose you have to say 200 in Korean language. Now 200 is basically 2 times 100, right? So 2 in Sino Korean number system is E and 100 is pig. So very simple, 200 will be E pig. Similarly for 300, Sam pig, 400, Sa pig, 500, O pig, then comes 600 and that is Yuk pig, then 700 is Chill pig, 800 is Pal pig, and 900 is Ku pig, right? Okay, now let's create a few more numbers. First one is the number 127. Now it is a combination of 100, 20 and 7. Okay, so in Korean language 100 is pig, 20 is E ship and 7 is chill. Combine all of them and 127 will be pig e ship chill. Pig e ship chill. Very easy. Next comes the number 234. So it is basically a combination of 200 and 30 and 4. So 200 is e pig, 30 is sam ship and 4 is sa. So 234 will be E pig sam ship sa. E pig sam ship sa. Okay? Now let's see how to say 358 in Korean language, and it is Sam pig o ship pal. Sam pig o ship pal. Very easy combination of 350 and 8. Okay? Now comes the number 462. So in Korean language it will be Sa pig yuk ship e. 462 60 E. Okay, 460 and 2, right? Next is the number 513. Now 513 is a combination of 500, 10 and 3. So 500 is opic, 10 is ship and 3 is sum. So 513 will be opic ship sum. Opic ship sum, right? Next comes the number 685, and that is yukpik palship o. Yukpik palship o. 680 and 5, right? Now let's see how to say 711 in Korean language. So it is basically a combination of 700, 10 and 1. So all combined it will be chilpik ship-il. Chilpik ship-il. Okay, very easy. Now let's see how to say 879, and that is 팔백 칠십구. 팔백 칠십구. 870 and 9. Okay, now comes the number 946, and that is 구백사십육. 구백사십육. 940 and 6. Okay, now comes the last 3-digit number, that is 999. Now it is a combination of 900, 90 and 9. So 900 is kupik, 90 is kuship and 9 is ku. So in Korean language 999 is 구백구십구. 구백구십구. Very easy. So this is how you form 3-digit numbers in the Korean language. Okay. Now let's see how to say 1000 in the Sino Korean number system, and that is 천. 천. Okay, very easy. 100 is 백 and 1000 is 천. So today we learned how to count numbers from 101 to 1000 in the Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.